My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Caught a Bape Pod restock. It's selling for $500 in Fight Club. I'm pretty happy about that cop. Oh dude, I got him! Hey, I got it! It was a cookout. So as far as I know, I got 7 so far.
Magic touch, finished.
This is the secret, guys. This is how you get a W. Magic touch.
Oh shoot, why is it, oh that thingy, why is it like that?
Alright. Oh! What the heck? While I was editing my video, Overkill restocked the Bape Ultra Boost, and I managed to cop one. The box came from Nike. Oh my goodness. This feels so nice. It looks so nice too. Just got a package in the mail and I have no idea what it is. See what's inside. Size 8.5. Today is the 20th, the mail came in and we have a lot of boxes. Box number 1. Size 9 turbo greens. Box number 2. Size 8 Adidas ZX4000 4D. Why are the laces like this? No way, bro. This was tried on. So basically, I gotta try and make it dead stock again. Yeah, they just tried on one shoe actually. This one is fine. Damn. Yo, this guy went on a run. He went on a run with one shoe, bro.
Bloodsuckers. 100, keep a 100, drug runner, top gunner, young motherfucker came up, smoked up.
Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot. Oh, it came so fast, son.
Bad bitch, and we getting lit, talk shit, bullshit, talk cash strip, sauce drip, mad drip, get a pack, yeah, mob ties.
That is beautiful.
What I got, I will get you hog tied. I'm in your spot. You gonna have to.
I feel like no one should ever wear this. It should just go on display. That's it. What? No wonder this is hype. Got the lace lock.
And I can't leave up out of here till I see what he got.
Damn, you could kill somebody with this.
Chase chicken, never told him let me hold something, go and take shit. Ain't in there but it hold something like a cake clip. It gotta stop so when that pole.
Oh, don't tell me this one's tried on too. Nope, we're good. The end. It is the 21st. Another day, another box to open. This is one of my brick sizes, size 12 turbo greens.
Regardless, I tried the hardest, my flow retarded, I'm flossing, compete my fortress, this be that bullshit, my boss, bitch, really a boss, bitch, I'm cool with Martians, I'm high up with all the starships, cause I'm a star, bitch, regardless.
I am back home from work. Did not expect to get a W on sneakers for those SB Dornbeckers, but I did. Nike has been blessing me with the W's lately. I don't know why, but I love it. Got some more boxes in. Shall we?
But I gotta get on the road, I gotta get it and go. I'm on a rise like a slow, I do not have no control. Seeing you less, but you know that I wanna see more. Two up on the road, doing it big and I can't let it go. Feeling like I'm on a pedestal and I cannot see the ground, but I'm feeling good. But ain't no way, got you feeling some way.
Now this one is special, and I'm excited for it. Because first of all, they're not turbo greens. Ooh, the swoosh is buttery smooth. This leather is really good. Oh, this toe box is really smooth too. No wonder why this is reselling for a lot. Size 8.5. So, tomorrow we have two very important drops. The Jordan 1 Defiant and the Yeezy 700 Salt. For the Yeezy 700 Salts, we're gonna try to get as many base sizes as possible and a few 8.5s. And for the Jordan 1 Defiance, we are gonna go with the regular Jordan 1 money sizes. It's 6:30. I'm gonna head over to FedEx because they have my Bape Adidas shoes. Now the thing is, I'm gonna be missing 2 drops, so in the meantime I'm gonna have Joy operate my bots while that happens. We are currently at the FedEx location. This is where we have to go into. How do you even get in there? There's a big fence right there. There's no entrance. Well, there's no obvious entrance anyway, so we're just gonna walk around the whole thing until we find how to get in there. All customer pickups must enter through the parking garage. Okay, I think we go this way. This place is like a dungeon.
Goth boy quick.
Hold on, baby, could you wait here? Promise I'll be right back. I might catch a flight back. Tell me will you stay here? I don't wanna hurt you. Girl, you know I like getting money and you like that. I wrote a letter for you, but you didn't write back. I wrote a letter for you, but you didn't write back. Calm down, I don't wanna fight like that. Girl, calm down.
Joy was reporting back payment declines, but I checked my phone and I got an order confirmation. Not the size I was quite hoping for, but it's not bad either. In about 9 minutes, Yeezy 700 Salt, Jordan 6 Dornbeckers, and Jordan 1 Defiance are going to all be dropping at the same time. We'll see how well we can manage. Dude, what? Did I get them?
You got it?
Wait, dude, I got them! What? Dude, I got these, son. Yo, Nike really be loving me right now. I've been stacking up and I can get enough. But boy, damn, that's tough. She won't let him come, no. Counting on the squad. Oh shoot, I'm through the splash page on one. Oh, dang it. Can I get a poopy size? No. Yeah, me too. I pressed buy with Apple Pay like 5 times.
My finger isn't reading.
Oof. Now we finally have time to do the unboxing. Let's do it.
This video won't be boring. Okay, maybe. Ooh. Ooh, a destroyed box. Extremely. There isn't even, oh my god. There isn't even, oh, this looks absolutely
Wrecked.
horrible. It's like they went literally like,
I think this would still pass because there's no major tears, but it's not in perfect shape.
looks like someone sat on it.
I really like the detail on the shoelaces. On one it says a bathing ape, and on the other it says neighborhood. Alright, it is Sunday. We are going to be heading out to Flight Club very soon. These are the things that I'm going to be selling. Only things that will be staying here for now. This one I'm going to sell on StockX. This one I'm holding on to. These two I will sell later to our friend.
I can hardly say that I loved you more. Then you walked away and it changed it all. When I see your face, I can't help but fall. I know I messed up again, I know, but I swear I'm a different person. I could try to fall in love again, but I swear it's not worth it.
Just got back home and I got a notification that these just sold on StockX.
I mean, you, yeah.
Okay, not me. Alright, we got the infrareds in the hand. We're about to sell them. We are back home and I'm currently setting up for Supreme online drop for week 1. Are the bots going to work? We're gonna find out in the next episode.
And I fall